Hi, my name is Donnell Harris and I'm a full-stack software developer and a recent CodeUp graduate. I discovered my passion for software development when I took a programming class in high school. Many years later, I fell in love with coding again, working towards my computer science certification. I like knowing how things work, and even more, I like being able to build them myself. I enjoy the challenge of programming, and I love building something from nothing and taking something else that someone has started and improving upon it. The majority of my technical background comes from teaching computer science, web development, programming, animation, and game design. I enjoy the structure of both front-end and back-end. The majority of my educational career was spent learning a new skill or software application so I could teach others to use it effectively. In my own time, I enjoy finding and following tutorials that will grow my skills or understanding of a concept. I won't settle for good enough, and I will push my teammates to do the same. I'd like to be a part of a team that will foster my growth as a developer and push me to learn more and become a better programmer.
Hello, my name is Ryan Kendall, and I am a software developer. My initial desire to become a developer actually came about after I retired from the Marine Corps. All the way back in grade school, I knew that my calling was a military career. What I did not account for was there's an awful lot of life after a military career. So as I was going through my associate's degree, I took a really wide spectrum of elective courses, and it was during a C++ programming course that I found something that challenged me, and I found something that gave me a very real earned satisfaction of a job well done after completing a particular exercise or project. What excites me about being a developer is honestly threefold. I really enjoy that initial stand-up, putting a team together, being given a project. I most definitely enjoy those certain day-to-day victories that come along. You have something, it's functional, but it needs a minor adjustment. And then finally, it's that push to production. Touching back on my military career, I'd also like to add that my technical background includes things like being an IT manager for a motorcycle dealership. I am a scuba instructor. I had a career as an air traffic controller, and I'm finding some really interesting parallels and some ways to apply all of that past experience to being a developer. From here, I know that my proficiency, my skill set, all of that is only going to improve. I want to be that go-to guy. I want to be the one that's mentoring and helping that next round of developers who comes in behind me so that I can bring them up, build their skills up, so that we can all sit at the table as an equal. So now that CodeUp's over, I'm looking to be part of a team that's going to facilitate those goals that I've just stated, and I really appreciate your time.
Hello, my name is Michael Meyer, and I am a software developer. I love being a developer because I love problem solving, whether I'm working more on the front end or the back end. Having an idea of where my code fits into the entire process enables and inspires me to write cleaner, more actionable code that can be easily understood by other developers. I've learned that my insight is particularly valuable while helping other developers, either with debugging or in working past a roadblock that has us stumped. I love to help others come up with satisfying solutions, and though I'm normally fairly introverted, that pair programming with somebody who I have a rapport with can be very fulfilling. I love learning and growing as a developer, and in the future I see myself at a company that encourages its developers to stay curious and passionate about technology while searching for ways to use new innovations to become more efficient or productive. I want to contribute readable code that is easy to understand and work with, and to properly document what it does. I'm Michael Meyer, and thank you for your time.
Hello, my name is Jason Carrillo, and I am a software developer. Before starting my journey, I always had an interest in development, but always thought that I wouldn't be able to grasp the material. I knew that if I kept doubting myself, I would never reach the goal that I truly wanted, which is to become a developer. So I took the initiative, I gave my 100% to see if it was the right fit. I instantly knew that it was. It's amazing how development can take a blank canvas and produce a page full of life. How fast you can go from a page that displays simple text to a page that you can interact with to make it satisfying for its users. I come from a background of psychology. I always enjoyed getting to know people and understanding everything from their perspective. Being able to use my skill set would greatly help contribute to any team, whether it be for a client or team building and getting everybody on the same page. As a software developer, I can take those skills and apply them to solving complex human problems with code. I look forward to being able to create, edit, and include myself into future projects that would be seen by the world. I want to keep my development skills strong, whether I am working for somebody and doing tasks that are assigned to me or creating my own products. Not slowing down is the key to my success.